I just got off a flight about 24 hours ago, and I love flying because unlike any other time in my life, I'm able to get work done uninterrupted. You know, you're sitting 40,000 feet above the ground. You can't do much else unless you want to get up and go to the bathroom, and I ain't paying for that internet. So I love that because it gives me that restricted time. Work ethic unmatched at that point. Now, yesterday, I had an opportunity to do something I haven't done in a while, and that's sit by a window. So I had that luxurious window seat. And I spent half my time on that flight being very reflective because when you see God's beautiful creation from above, you start to realize that a lot of things don't matter. And also, the only things you can really see from above are the results of people's actions who have worked together. See, when you view the earth from above, you don't notice anybody. You can't see people. We're too small. We're too minuscule. But you can see the roads that have been paved. You can see the subdivisions, and you can see the buildings and the beautiful architecture and all these other amazing things humans have come together to build. But again, you can't see the people. And it had me thinking about how a lot of times in life, we are so focused on ourselves instead of coming together with people, creating a team of people that can have a positive impact. But check this out. On the flip side, humans have come together to have a deleterious impact inadvertently on the environment. So if I was flying over a body of water and I realized that, the sea levels have risen a lot, we had an impact on the environment deleteriously, right? We came together to do that. Now, what can we do if we come together now to have an impact that can only be seen from above? Because when it's all said and done and we're talking and thinking about our legacy, most times people won't remember who we are or even care, but they will be more impacted by what we came together to do on this world, on our time, on this earth. So what impact will you have? Will it be positive or will it be negative? The choice is yours, y'all.